Good morning, students. When we start our school, that time there are so many students. Some students are old students and some students are new students. Some students are old students and some students are new student. When the new students are coming in our class, that time we will discuss the students. We will ask the information related to that family. We will ask the information related to the last class. We will ask some information related to the schools, his business, different type of questions we are asked. And sometimes we are manage that students. Some students they are not managed. Some students they are managed. When any other students not managed to the old students or new student, that time they are always hesitate. Sometimes they are always hesitate such type of story. Here also one student, that is a new student, and this new student is a old fashioned student. Which type of students? Old fashioned student, not a modern students. Like this, not its modern appearance. It is a short, it is a rural areas appearance. And these students, they are not managed to each other. They are always hesitate. Such why they are always hesitate? Its reason we are finding through this lesson. That lesson name was a odd one in. That lesson name was a odd one in. Odd one in means that is a strange. That is a strange. एक विचित्रपणा एक क्लास असतो. त्या क्लासमध्ये असा एक नवीन विद्यार्थी असतो आणि त्या नवीन विद्यार्थ्याला इतरत्र कोणीही ॲडजस्ट करून घेत नाही आणि सगळे विद्यार्थ्याला चिडवतात. तो एक विचित्रपणा, तो एक वेगळेपणा असतो. असा एक वेगळेपणा या विद्यार्थ्याशी आपण शोधत आहे. असं देर आर द टू स्टुडंट्स, वन रीमा अँड सेकंड मालती. First is a Rima, second is a Malti. Means Rima and Malti. Malti is a new student. Malti is a new student. Malti is a new student. She came from the another state. She came from the another state, and they are discussed in the class. They are managed, their behavior we are discussed in this lesson. Which type of behavior? Listen. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Only one, Malti, and she is funny. Grims Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state. Sniffed Rima, naming one of these other end of this country. Listen, we are discussing the first paragraph between the Rima and Malti's conversation. When Rima didn't like the Malti's appearance, that time his behavior related to Malti, such type of information, such type of discussion we are reading here. At the first time, Rima's mother, whose mother? Rima's mother asked the question to Rima. That is the first day of our school. That is the first day of our school. That is the school will be start. How was the first day? How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. When Rima was sitting at the dinner, that time her mother asked the question. Whose mother asked the question? Rima's mother asked the question to Rima. How was the first day of school? How was the first day of school? That is a happy school, happy day or unhappy day? Means who asked the question? Rima's mother asked questions to Rima. Then she said that okay, Rima shrugged. No lesson, just settling in. She had given the answer in a nervous manner. Who had given the answer? Rima had given the answer in a nervous manner. She said that no lesson, just settling. She said that today no one taught us a single lesson. Today no one taught a single lesson, only just a settling in, just an adjust in the class, just an adjusting in the school. Such type of work had done in the class on the first day. The second is, she said that any new girls in your class, inquired her mother, Mr. Sen. Her father, Mr. Sen. Who asked the question? The next time, Mr. Sen means whose father? Rima's father. Whose father? Rima's father. Rima's father asked a question to Rima. He asked, any new girls in your class? Who asked the question? Rima's father asked the question to Rima. Anyone students in your class? That students are new, or any new girls or any new student in your class? Who asked question? Father asked question to Rima. Only one, Malti, and she is a funny. She had given the answer. Who had given the answer? Rima had given the answer. Only one, Malti. Who is a new student? Who is a new girl? Malti. Malti is a new girl and she is a funny. She is a funny. She is a funny. She always funny. In a class. Then grieves Rima as she helped herself to salad. Listen. Grieves Rima as she helped herself to salad. Means when she was giving salad to Rima, that time he had given the answer. Who had given the answer? Rima had given the answer. To whom? Mr. Sen. He is her father. And she said that only one student, that name was funny. That name was Malti. And she was a very funny. Then he asked question, why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state. Sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of this country. Listen. She said that, why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. Mr. Sen asked. Mr. Sen said that. What she said that? What he said that? He said that, why do you say she was a funny? Why do you say she was a funny girl? She was a funny girl. Why do you say? Then she said that she can't speak much English. She can't speak much English. Who can't speak? Malti. Malti can't speak much English, or Malti can't speak better English. Who? Malti. She has come from another state. Why? Because she came from another state. Means when another state, she is coming from another state, that time she didn't speak proper English. She are always speaking in a rudely manners, in a rural manners. She said that she has come from another state. Sniffed Rima. She talked positively. She talked negatively in a nervous manner and naming one at the other end of the country. And she had given some name. She had given the name to the another country. She had given the name of that village or city in another country, that is a border country. Who had given the name? Other end of this country. Then, children from state are supposed to be a clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. In quickly manner, in suddenly. Who said that? Mr. Sen. Who was Mr. Sen? Rima's father. Rima's father said that, okay, if she can't speak proper English, that's enough. Okay, children from state are supposed to be a clever. Means that state is a very famous or popular from that state is a very famous or popular for the clever student or education. Who said that? Mr. Sen said that. Means from that state she is coming, that state is a very popular for this study. That state is a popular for the brilliant student or clever student. They are specially good at math. Who is the specially clever in math? Means that country, that state. Rima was a good at math. That students are very brilliant or very good in the math subject, said Mr. Sen quietly. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi at all. Good morning, teacher. Mistake, mimic Rima. Listen, mimic Rima in a laughing manner. Mimic Rima means here, mimic means in a laughing, in a nervous manner. She said that, well, this one does not seem smart at all. Does not seem smart at all. She is not a smart in a body appearance. Who said that? Malti said that. Rima said that. Rima said that she is not looking smart at all. Oily hair, that is, hair is an oily hair. Bindi at all, she is using the bindi. And she always said that, good morning, teacher. What she said that? Good morning, teacher. What she said that? Good morning, teacher. Who said that? Who said that? Malti said that. Who? Good morning, teacher. Who said that? Malti said that. Such type of mimicry done by Rima while telling to Mr. Sen. Her parents exchanged glance. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. Listen. Her parents exchanged the glance. Glance means here attitude. Glance means here attitude. Who changed their attitude? Rima's attitude will be changed related to Malti. Therefore, her parents exchanged. His parents tried to change her attitude. Rima was their only child. Rima was only one child. That they doted on her. They doted on her means she always given the name. She always given the complaints related to Malti. But she could be insufferable at times. But now she is not a better. Now she is not a better while sitting here. Then I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as she rose from the table. Listen, I do hope you and your friends will not make things. Means their parents said that, or Mr. Sen said that, I do hope you and your friends will not make a things. Means I hope that you and your friends are not looked like this way. She is a very good girl. She is very brilliant. She is a very clever. In this way, you will look to Malti. Things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as she rose from the table. She was sitting on the table. That time, such type of discussion they are discussed on this matter. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Next morning, the 1 minute Malti entered the class, they all chorus good morning. Listen. Rima said that Rima and her gang, they had decided that in the next morning when she was coming in the next morning, that time when she entered in the class, when she was entering in the class, that time all the students, her gang and Rima also, they are saying in a loudly, in a chorus manner, which word? Good morning. Which word? Good morning. Listen. When any other teacher, any other new teacher or any other teacher is coming in the class, that time all the students, all the teachers, they said that. What they said that? They said, good morning, sir. Good morning, students. Good afternoon, students. Good morning. In this way, they are talking. In this way, they are talking. But before that, they decide the plan. Before that, they make one plan. That plan is that when Malti is coming in the class, that time we are saying good morning. That time we are saying good morning. Means this word we are talking. This word we are talking. In this way, we have to discuss here the first paragraph and the second paragraph and third paragraph. Means in this paragraph, Rima and Malti, there are the both students. But here, Rima is a old student and Malti is a new student. Malti is a new student, and her body appearance is like rural areas. Which type of rural areas? Means her body appearance is a rural areas, and Rima was looking in a modern girls. Rima was looking in a modern girls. In this way, we have to discuss once again. Rima and Malti, there are the two friends. Rima and Malti, there are the two friends. They are learning in 7th class. When Rima's mother asked the question related to the first day, that time she had given the one answer. Today's just a settling in a day. Just a settling in a day. That is the only adjustment in a sitting class, the table or benches. Then her father asked the question to Rima that time, who was a new student in your class. Then she said that there is a one girl, Malti, she is a new girl in the class. Then she discussed that she is a funny girl. Who is a funny girl? Malti is a funny girl. Her behavior is not a good. Then she said that she cannot speak much or better English. She cannot speak better English. Therefore we are discussing here. She cannot speak much English. She is not good in any other subjects. But her father said that. What she said that? Her parents said that state students are very clever, very brilliant in a math subject. They are not good in a body appearance, but they are very brilliant. They are very, very good in a math subject. Therefore, you have to change your attitude. And therefore her parents are always give the suggestion, but they didn't like, and therefore at the last time he hoped that she will be discussed in a good manner. But she didn't discuss, and she made the one gang, and through the gang the next morning when she entered in the class, that time she said that only good morning. What she said that? Good morning. What he said that? Good morning. Extremely we discuss here. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making a fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, good morning. Listen, when she entered, that time all the students said that good morning. Who said that? All the students said that only good morning. Listen, poor Malti, bichari Malti. Poor Malti, she did not realize that. She didn't understand what they are always saying good morning. That they were making a fun of her. That time, all the students, this gang, they are taking a fun. They are taking the entertainment as a fun. Who? Rima and her gang. She beamed back at them and replied, good morning. Then she turned back. Who turned back? Malti turned back and she said that good morning. For example, we are always visiting to each other. That time we said that good morning, sir. That time we said the good morning Ramesh. That time we said the good morning Priyanka. Such type of sentences we are telling. But which type of attitude we are telling these sentences, that is the most important. In this way, when all the students, all these girls, they are saying, when she entered in the class, good morning, good morning. Therefore, she turned back and she also gave the reply, good morning. Then Shahnaz giggled. Shahnaz is the name of the girl. She was giggled. Giggle means laughing in a silly manner. Giggles means laughing in a silly manner. Why do you put so much oil on your hairs? She asked the question. Who asked the question? Who asked the question? Shahnaz giggled. Shahnaz laughed. And she asked the question, why do you put so much oil on your hair? Why do you put so much oil? Which type of oil? So much oil put in your hair. She asked rudely manners. Which type of manner? Rudely manner. In a cruelly manner, she asked the questions. Malti looked offended but did not reply. She was looking many times. She was looked many times. She often and she didn't give the reply. Who didn't give the reply? Malti didn't give reply to Shahnaz's question when she asked the question. And the skirt so long, said Claire Cattley. Claire, she is the name of the girl in that gang. And she laughing and she said that, and the skirt so long. And the skirt so long. Means both the student, both the girls, they are laughing, they are giggling, they are teasing. They are teasing. Claire Cattley, Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered in the class. When teacher entered in the class, that time she was telling some questions to teacher, or they are telling some information related to teasing to her teacher, but they did not ask. As the class progressed, everyone surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asks a question. Listen, when teacher is coming in the class, they are teaching this lesson. When the teacher is teaching the lessons or any other lessons or any other subject the teacher is teaching, that time teacher asks the many questions to the class. That time she give the answer, she raise her hand. That time all the students surprise. Who surprise? All the students, they surprise when teacher asks the questions, and every time she will give the answer, every time raise her hands. That time all the students surprise. Who surprise? All the students, they are surprised. And Malti give the all questions answer. Then yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. And teacher also always ask the questions only for Malti. And Malti give the each and every questions answer. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation when Rima recounted this at home. Her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. Listen. Every time teacher asks the question to Malti and she will give the correct answer. That time the teacher nodded in appreciation. Teacher nodded in appreciation. Appreciation means inspiration. And nodded means to move our neck in a positive manner. To move our neck in a positive manner. And in appreciation means in inspiration. When Rima recounted means told. Recounted means told. When Rima told this at home, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. Sounds like a clever girl. Means all these informations Rima told her mother and father. That time her mother said that sounds like a clever girl. Sounds like a clever girls. What is the use? What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. So atrocious is meaning is that extremely bad. So atrocious meaning extremely bad, and uncharitably means unsympathy, not unkind. Its meaning is that unkind or cruel. Listen, what is the use? Said Rima. Rima asked the questions to her mother. What is the use of good girls? What is the use of that correct answer? What is the use of the all the questions answer correctly? So that is she asked in a uncharitably manner, in a cruel manner, in an unkind manner, and she said that her English is so atrocious. Her English is extremely bad. Her English is an extremely bad. It is so bad. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Listen, the same way. It may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. Mr. Sen directly said that her English is very poor. That time your Hindi is also poor. Her English is very bad, extremely atrocious. That time your Hindi also extremely bad, not a good, it is a poor. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. She was suffering, she was always nervous, her Rima's attitude. He was getting quite sick. Who was? Her father. Her father always said that we want to change our attitude. We want to change our Rima's attitude because Rima's attitude is not good. Therefore, they always try to change her attitude. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. Even Mrs. Sen, means her mother also did not like her attitude. That night Rima's parent discussed the matter. That night Rima's parent discussed the matter. Means when she was just sleeping, that time her parent they are discuss about her attitude. That night they discuss about this matter. We put Rima's into a good school to make her smart and confident. Listen, they decide that we want to put Rima in a school, and good school. That not only school, that is a good school. That school make her smart and confident. Smart and confident means the school will make the smart and confident to Rima. Therefore, we want to put this in a good school. I am afraid she is telling into a quite a little snob. I am afraid she is tearing into a quite little snob. Means her father are afraid. Her father is afraid. Why her father is afraid? Because she was tearing. Because she was tearing. Who was tearing? Who was tearing? Rima was tearing and into a quite little snob. म्हणजे हुनके देत रडणे. She was crying. She was crying in after finishing dinner. Said Mrs. Sen sadly. Said Mrs. Sen sadly means her parents always discuss about her attitude and they had changed our attitude. Who had changed our attitude? Rimas had changed our attitude according to their parents. In this way, we have to discuss the second, fourth, fifth and sixth stanza. In the fifth stanza, Malti had given the answer related to Shahnaz. Then Claire is a new girl. She also asked the question, and she also her behavior also in a cruel manner. Then all this information they are always giving the answer. When teacher asks the question, that time also given the answer. Therefore, this information tell their parents, and parents said that we want to adjust all these girls. At the first time we tell that another states girls are very smart and confident and brilliant in a specially math subject. Therefore, every time we want to exchange our attitude, and we have to adjust such type of girls. In this way, we have to discuss Reema and Malti's attitude in these lessons. The next passage we will to discuss in the next time. Thank you so very much.